Once upon a time, in a magical kingdom, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Cinderella. She spent her days wandering through the forest, seeking solace from her cruel stepmother and stepsisters. Nature was her only escape, and she found joy in the company of animals and the beauty of the forest. But one day, her life changed forever. While walking deep into the woods, humming softly, Cinderella stumbled upon a sparkling pond. At its centre, a small green frog with shimmering golden spots sat on a lily pad, croaking a melodic tune. She was startled when the frog spoke to her, saying, "Hello, kind maiden. I am no ordinary frog. I was once a prince, cursed into this form by a wicked sorceress. Only true kindness can break the spell." Cinderella, ever compassionate, smiled warmly. "How can I help you?" she asked, sitting by the pond. The frog explained his plight, telling her that if she showed him kindness and care, the curse might eventually lift. Without hesitation, Cinderella lifted the little frog and placed him gently in a small basket lined with flowers she had picked earlier. "I'll take care of you," she said, "but I hope you'll remember, kindness is a two-way street." Days turned into weeks, and Cinderella and the frog became close companions. They shared stories, and Cinderella found comfort in the frog's wisdom and gentle encouragement. One day, an invitation to the royal ball arrived at Cinderella's home. Her stepmother cruelly forbade her from attending, mocking her for dreaming beyond her station. Heartbroken, Cinderella confided in the frog. "Don't lose hope," the frog reassured her. "Take me to the ball, and I promise something magical will happen." With renewed determination, Cinderella crafted a gown from scraps of fabric she found around the house, transforming it into a dazzling dress with the frog's guidance. Using the frog's hidden magic, they turned an old pumpkin into a magnificent golden carriage. Cinderella arrived at the ball in splendor, her beauty captivating everyone in attendance. However, her stepsisters, jealous of her radiance, mocked her cruelly. Unable to bear the humiliation, Cinderella fled to the garden, tears streaming down her face. The frog leaped from her shoulder and spoke gently yet firmly. "Your kindness brought you here, but now you must believe in yourself." Cinderella, moved by his words, kissed the frog on the head as a gesture of gratitude. Suddenly, golden light enveloped the garden, and the frog transformed into a handsome prince, dressed in a regal white and gold suit. Stunned, Cinderella watched as he stepped forward, smiling warmly. "I have waited so long for someone as kind and brave as you to break this curse," the prince said. Taking her hand, he led her back to the ballroom, where the astonished guests watched in awe. The prince revealed his true identity and announced his love for Cinderella, whose kindness had saved him. The royal family welcomed her with open arms, and soon after the two were married in a grand celebration. Cinderella's life became a true fairy tale, proving that kindness and courage could overcome even the darkest curses. And so Cinderella and her prince lived happily ever after.